Naglalabas na. Katawan yung baby ni Lars.
Gusto mag-jersey ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
Fourth quarter underway. CJ Delfino feeds Alcoriza for 2. You know the coincidence or the common denominator here in both the first and third quarter runs of Pampanga. There's one player there. It's John Lloyd Clemente actually.
Exactly. John Lloyd Clemente, ang ganda ng pakita dito.
28.
12 of 14.
It's not 28 points.
28.
28 points in just 13 and a half minutes of action.
Missing only 2 attempts. My God.
Pwede bang ibalik si JLC? Baka babalik pa yun mamaya konti.
To go with 6 rebounds and 4 assists without a turnover.
Very forceful Renz Alcoriza. It's a 40-point lead now. Zalid Papa. Inside Giab. Gets it to Padua. He will miss. There's Allen Mina. Mina will drive. Ball is loose, picked up by Castro. Paulo Castro. Dire-diretso si Paulo Castro for the 2 points. We're maganda yung record ni Clemente, pero meron ding record dito na mukhang baka ma-break ngayong gabi.
Ano? Okay. Okay.
Gusto mo sabihin ko?
I get it. Okay. I get it. Malamang tingin ko nga, possible ma-break.
Oo, break ito. Sabihin ko na. Baka ma-break yung earliest finish to a triple header in an MPBL game day.
Is this all seasons or just for this season?
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Padua is blocked.
Number 20, Allen Papa, his second.
And John Hermal will return. Renz Palma also returning to the floor. Now Coriza goes back to the bench. And Renz has 12 points. And Mina only with 4 points. Well distributed itong atake ng Pampanga.
12 kay Muyang, 12 kay Alcoriza.
There's a foul on Faundo.
Foul on number 21.
That lead remains at 40.
Substitution, Jemo Egilos for Jimmy Faundo.
7.5 minutes to play here. All over but the final score pretty much. He misses the free throw. Ilang free throws na ba tayo sa laron to? Marami din for Pampanga.
27.
27. Paranaque only with 8 free throws in this ball game. Lalata. What a finish.
Yan ang mabig.
Nakatagilid ka pero yung ulo mo nandun sa may board banda.
At saka sanay si Chris sa mga ganyang finish.
Oo, ganun talaga kami mga high flyer.
Okay.
106-67. Here's Nermal. John finds
One more.
Igilos.
Inisihan na lang.
Double figures na rin si Jmo Igilos. 108-67. Papa. There's Alan Mangahas. Allen pulls up. In and out on the jumper. Igilos taps it to Lalata. Now with Delfino. Tama pa yung bola. Balik kay John Nermal. Nermal drives middle. The kick out to Renz Palma for 3. Padua with the rebound. So moving forward here for Pampanga, as we mentioned, their next, the remaining games are against Muntinlupa, Davao, and Bulacan. They could finish, with 21 wins. Coach Mike?
Yes.
There's a timeout here muna. Magbabalik kami. 110-67, under 6 minutes to play. Lamang ang Pampanga. Head of Security, Rudy Distrito. Head of Operations, Emer Oreta. And of course, my idol, the Roy Luarca. Ito, pinalitan na yung mga executives natin dito
Oo nga, no?
Andun na yung mga executive row natin. Mukhang mas matindi yung pumalit sa kanilang upuan dito.
Oo nga.
Drain ng tata. Tagon. Ooh, what a move by the Tasmanian Devil.
Literal, inupuan. Yung layup na yun.
Isa pa nga. Oh, finger roll. Kinaliwa naman.
Patuloy na bumubuhos pa rin ang scoring. Talaga nga namang kung ganito ang Giant Lanterns, the forceful finish that these guys are showing against the Patriots.
Yeah.
Number 77.
Ayun, no?
Yun. Drain ng tata.
Drain and Tata. Head of the A-boards.
Those are my guys right there.
Yeah, those are my guys too.
Those are my guys.
Those are my guys as well.
Yan yung mga ano natin.
Loves ko yung mga yan eh.
Ay, oo naman.
Ano naman? Si Drin at saka si Tata.
Anong size ka ba?
Saan?
Size na sapatos.
Bakit? 10.
Kaya pala close kayo ni Aldrin. Size 10 din yan eh.
Oo nga.
Normal, looking for JLC. That's 30 points for John Lloyd Clemente.
Hinilingan mo kasing ibalik si John Lloyd. Naibalik tuloy. Naka-30 pa. Four minutes.
Oo, against Palma. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung pag-score dito ng Pampanga. 4 minutes remaining in the ball game. This is a one game already. Kanina pa. But if you're Pampanga, you're looking at how you're gonna finish this game the right way. We will be right back. EJ Delfino with a couple of electrifying plays here in the fourth quarter, highlighting this Pampanga dominance right now. Baltazar, Tweety to Shaq for 3. He gets it to go. 120-71. Delfino.
Oh my.
This is good for his confidence this game. Kaya nga sinasabi natin, hindi kailangan to ng team ng tulad ng Pampanga yung mga larong ganito.
O pangkuha ng kumpiyansa. Lalo na sa lalim ng eto pa isa.
What's your... Ay,
Dumulas.
akala ko dadakdak niya.
Oo nga, dumulas lang yung bola sa kamay niya. Pero feeling ko, yun ang intention eh. At alam mo naman na pag-open floor na ganyan, sa bilis nila ni CJ Delfino, kaya-kaya niyang tapusin niya ng ganun.
Pangilinan ng mga ahas, refusing to let each other go.
As it is hit for Wilson Baltazar.
Double foul.
It is a double foul between number 19, James Mangalas' fourth.
Double foul called by official Jay Castroverde. 3 minuto na lang ang natitira dito.
Nermal finds Igilos. The turnaround shot from J-Mo. He knocks it down.
And mga kumpiyansa nga kailangan rin nilang kunin, especially for J-Mo. He's gonna need those shots to fall, especially from the perimeter.
Alanes drives. There's a whistle going against CJ Delfino.
CJ Delfino is first, and that is a 14 foul from Pampanga Giant Lantern. Substitution, Jimmy Faudo for
Pasok na si GP ulit.
shooting 2, Shaq Alanes.
Shaq Alanes. He pretty much sa mga games na siya ang pinupuntahan talaga sa scoring.
Yeah, nga. And over 2 minutes to play here. Tunog Pampanga on their way to win number 18. Palma misses. Out to Delfino. Alinan misses the 3. Faundo.
Jimmy Faudo.
Hala ko dadakdakin ni Paundo.
Final 2 minutes of this ball game. Baltazar with the runner. It's short. And the ball will go back to Pampanga.
And the Giant Lanterns scoring 29 points here in the fourth quarter. 45 dun sa third. Talagang binuhos nga naman nila. Yung after nila mag-give up ng 12 more points in the third quarter to the Parañaque Patriots. Enough na parang naging 4 na lang yata yung lamang nun. That's the closest they've gotten.
Oh, this is actually game 396, Coach Mike.
Oh yeah, it's been a lot of games.
Anong tawag dito? Mukhang may foul pa siya.
Foul on number 39, Shaq Alanes.
Shaq Alanes.
Yeah.
Shooting 2.
On the average, yung mga remaining games ng mga teams naglalaro sa 3 to 4.
Commissioner Kenneth Duremdes is here.
And just a few other teams that's got roughly about five games. A couple. I think Davao. I think Rizal. Those two. 4 to 5 games na lang ang natitira dyan sa mga yan.
Yeah. Elorde will miss. Inside, nabitawan ni Pangilinan. GP puts it in.
Under a minute na lang yung natitira, and guys like CJ John Fa able to get good floor time.
Kailangan nila yan.
Yes. Basket there by Shaq Alanes.
Shaq Alanes able to score.
Foul on number 77, Rance Palma is second. Bonus free throw, Shaq Alanes.
It's the bonus. Shaq Alanes. Normal will shoot the 3 and hit.
John Normal,
135 to 78. Travel pa si Shaq because I think he was just trying to dribble this one out.
Oh yes.
Nahawakan na lang ni John Nermal ang bola. That should do it here. Pampanga improving to 18 and 8, forcing a tie with Pasay.
Sama mo ang buong team dito sa likod mo, JLC, no? Pero bukod kay CJ Delfino, isa ka sa mga nabigyan ng kumpiyansa sa larong ito with 32 points. Kumusta ka?
Hindi ko na magagawa yung 32 points kundi dahil sa mga teammate ko na nandito sa likod. Kaya malaki pa pasalamat yung sa kanila.
Okay, hindi na iba sa'yo ang paghahanda no, para sa playoffs. Paano ka ba nagpapakondisyon ngayon?
Nag-extra lang ako after ng training. Nag-weights ako, nag-shooting ako sa gym sa amin. Yun lang, nagre-ready lang ako kasi alam natin playoffs, mabigat yung playoffs sa parating ngayon.
O, ito nang inaantay nila. Batiin mo na silang lahat.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon na binigay sa amin yung panalo na to.